This semester, CommUniverCity has been developing some basic educational take-home kits for the local youth. Thanks to your donations, we will be able to improve the quality and quantity of these kits for the spring semester. This means a better experience for more students to be engaged and curious with their academic work. For example, guided nature journals help students notice changes around them in the environment, like the first rains of the season. They even built up the confidence to share with me that they had been visiting local parks because of their journal, and encouraged me to visit several local parks. Through this crowdfunding program, one of the improvements we would like to make is to take our nature journal from a one-size-fits-all to one journal per grade level. We appreciate all your continued support through this campaign, and we would love you to share this with your family and friends. It would mean so much to us and the families that we serve. Thank you.